Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Micromax X741 phone. So as you can see, this is the phone right here. This is how it comes. So there's actually a box and the mobile is outside here on the box. This is how it comes in the packaging. And as you can see, the four main USPs of this device are written right up here. So the first, it says 21 regional languages. It reads and writes, so 21 regional languages. It has an ultra bright LED torch. Okay, it has dedicated music keys, and it has a 1750 mAh battery, so 1750 mAh battery. So these are the four sort of main highlight key features of this Micromax X741. Apart from that, on the side, as you can see, it's got auto call recording. Folder wise, it has a camera, it has a music and video player, it has a power saving mode, it has a wireless FM radio, and of course you can read and write 21 regional languages on this smartphone. What else? Okay, the battery, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 1750 mAh battery. This is a dual SIM smartphone, so as you can see, there are two IMEI numbers at the back. It's a dual SIM smartphone, and it has a 6.1 centimeter or a 2.4 inch screen. And let's go ahead and let's unbox this for you and show you the phone itself. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the plastic wrap. And once you remove the plastic wrap, you need to open the seal at the back. Okay. And the seal at the back basically allows you to now remove this plastic at the top, and that reveals the device itself. Apart from that, so this is the device itself. This is a sticker on the front, so you need to remove the sticker. We'll just do that in a bit. Okay, apart from the smartphone itself, what else do you get in the box? Alright. Alright, so apart from the X741, you get a pair of earphones. So you get a pair of earphones. These are the EPX741 earphones that come. You also get the battery, which I'll just open it up for you guys. So this is the 1750 watt battery. Sorry, my bad. This is the 1750 watt battery that comes along with the smartphone. It's a BIS rated battery. Put it off to the side, and you get a user guide. That's the X741 user guide, and you get a charger, which I'll just open. Okay. So you get a charger. This is the charger. All right. This is a, let me see, alright, so this is the charger, and it's a micro USB charger. Okay, that's the charging port right at the bottom of the phone. That's the charging port, and that's your headphone jack, so that's where your headphones would go into. And that's pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. That's what you get in the box when you buy the Micromax X741 phone. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.